Did you know that just 45 minutes of watercolor painting can reduce your stress levels significantly? Well, I would love to invite you to join me for some Valentine painting this month. As you may know, I host monthly watercolor sessions, and this month we're going to be painting some beautiful loose watercolor roses that will feel very therapeutic and also be gorgeous. You'll also get the opportunity to paint lots of different hearts in lots of fun ways using watercolor and the loose magic that you can achieve with really cool effects. All you need to join us is some watercolor paper and water. I recommend a spray bottle with water also, and a large and small brush. You'll also want a pencil and your watercolor paints. To join this month's watercolor class, all you need to do is head over to my Patreon, where you'll select the Creative Jam Sessions option, which will give you access not only to this month's class, but all of the past recordings as well as upcoming classes. So this is sure to bring a smile to your face, and we'd love to see you there. See you soon.